Hello everyone, I'm Carlos Manuel, welcome to Carma Bonsai. Sometimes in my videos I talk a lot about the strong sun and the strong wind. So today I'll show you the strong sun and the strong wind after this. All these umbrellas I tried to protect my trees from the strong sun. I showed you already in the last video. The sun kills the leaves of my weeping willow forest here, see, but I have new green ones. This is the problem. This is the sun. That's why I put this, see, but many days. It's not one time in a 6 months. No, many days here in the summer we have strong winds, and the strong winds kill my umbrellas. I'll show you more. See, here I have more. This is a place for videos and to work and crafts and things. And now I put here all my umbrellas that the wind kill. See? And sometimes umbrella don't resist and turn down and broke. Well, that's my problems. But without umbrellas, the sun, see this one, I have to close this one right now. See, the things all broke. See? Sometimes I think to give up because see See, it's very, 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 very difficult, and it's impossible for me all the time buying new umbrellas every month, every year. It's impossible. I don't know. I will resist until one day. I don't know, but it's very difficult. See, today is a very windy day, and at the end of the day, maybe I have losses. I will have losses today here in my umbrellas. Yes, of course. I don't know. Well, I have things to do now to try protect the umbrellas and the trees. See, this one almost, see, almost beat the, see, see, I have to do something, and this video stop here. It's only to show you my problems. I talk a lot in other videos about with the strong sun and at the same time the strong winds. Okay, see you in the see you in the next episode. Thank you. Well, not yet the end, because I have no plans for a video today, but with this strong wind, I remember now one thing I saw last night when I walk with my dog. I'll show you now. See what the wind did yesterday during the day, or yes, during the day, because last night I came with my Robin. Here he is. See, Robin, come here. Anda cá, come here. Sit. Robin, sit. Yeah. Thank you. See, very, very strong winds, but I have small trees from this one, because the seeds go with the wind and germinate everywhere, even in the street. And now maybe I don't have one to show you, but sometimes, yes, I have one here. This small tree is from the seed of that one. Is dead now, is down, will die soon. And at home, by the way, I'll show you after. I have quite a few of these. I pick here, close to the roots, to the trunk of this tree, and I pick a few days ago in this street. I'll show you. Here in the sidewalk. Yes, here in this sidewalk, close to the walls. See, I'll show you another one here. This is from the seeds of that tree, and I pick quite a few down there, close to my my walls, and I put in a small containers, and I'll show you when I return home. Let me see another one here. See, I pick quite a few like this, but down there close to my walls. Now let's go home and I'll show you those little trees. First, in this backyard from a neighbor, some of that trees germinate here. He don't live here, come here 1 or twice a year, and the trees germinate like this one here. And now he has 3 or 4 big trees like that one, but as you can see, that one the wind put down yesterday. Yes, strong winds here. Today's video is about strong sun. See, we have strong sun and strong winds. Let's go home, Robin. Let's go. Let's go. So here I have a little tree like that one I showed you down. This is from the last year. Another one here and another one here. I have 3 in this place. They like it. Okay, stay. But here, from a few days ago, I have more. I pick them. See, one here, one here, one here, 2 here. See, very small. See, oh boy. See, here in a cup, and 1 more or 2 more here, but this one I don't know. See, I pick this in the sidewalk close to my walls with the roots. It's very easy, and I put in these small containers, and as you can see, they all did well by now. And these little plants, these little trees, are from the seeds of that one the wind put down yesterday, because sometimes we have weeks, entire weeks with strong winds, weeks and weeks, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks with strong winds, and I have troubles with the word wind. See what I did? I put wire here to try to this umbrella don't break my trees, and I did the same here. I put wire, this one to this one, this one to this one, and that way I believe they are stronger. See, this one to this one. This is my job today, between the footage. See, now I believe my umbrellas are strong. I don't know. Oh boy. And now I believe it's really the end of this video today. I have no plans for a video today, but I will wake up in the morning with very strong winds, and I thought, well, I talk about strong sun and strong winds. Today I'll show the real thing. Okay, thank you for watching, subscribe, and I hope see you in the next episode. Thank you.